Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from here. I definitely want to get things updated here, but just to start off the day, crazy opening 30 minutes. I mean, that 30 minutes got up as high as up there, down as low as right there, and that is a big range. And like I said, in only 30 minutes of time, things then tightened back up. Not much was going on, and then late day, the downwards momentum showed up, and that's where the first key dynamic comes into play. And that dynamic being the price is now actually broken down below that green line and now stayed down below it. Again, during that first 30 minutes, sure, the price did drop below there, but that didn't last very long. The price didn't even come close to closing down below it. But that is the difference here, is now the price is actually closed below it. So it all leads to the question of, is this the start of a much bigger, pullback to the downside? So, and that also, let me get rid of that right now. That served its purpose. But first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, right here around 63.25-ish is going to be that first key area of resistance. But what I think a lot of people are going to be, interested in, myself included, is if the price, like I said, if this is a bigger pullback to the downside, is this pullback going to bring it all the way down to the $60 mark that a whole lot of people are going to be watching? And that's just one of those historic areas. And I make the comment about a lot of people watching it because when a lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what's being represented there by that $60 mark. So keep an eye on that level going forward. And then again, if the price does try to work its way back upwards, 63.25. But these are going to be the two main technical levels that I'll be watching moving into Wednesday. But yeah, things are certainly looking shaky right now, but we'll have to see if the price can try to get things recovered back, up to the upside where the price spent pretty much the past couple of days. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.